Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we are going to letting you know something about this smart Zunpulse smart Wi-Fi bulb, that how you can set up this bulb with your mobile phone. You need a Wi-Fi router or any type of a little dongle that has a Wi-Fi signal option over there. Then you can easily set up this device. Now first of all you have to download the app called Zunpulse. You can find in the link description, or you can easily download this from this QR code as in front of you. As you can see, you have to just scan this QR code and you easily able to download this app. After that, what you have to do, keep watch the video till the end and learn how to set up Zunpulse smart LED bulb. To just install this Zunpulse smart app, and you have to just open this app, and after that you have to just go to this login option over there. You have to click on this login icon, and after that you have to enter your mobile number over there. As you can see, you have to enter your mobile number. I'm going to entering my mobile number over there, and you have to click on this next icon over there. One second, going to clicking over there. Now keep in mind that your bulb should be in blinking mode. If your bulb is not in blinking mode, then you have to and automatically pick up the OTP. Now what we have to do, we have to just after that we have to just click over there on option of add a device. You have to just click on that, and after that you have to just on this device. As you can see in front of you, the device is in on condition, and that should be in blinking mode. When the device is in blinking mode, that mean you can easily control via, you can set up all in your smartphone. Now what we have to do, we have to choose over there add device option, and from there we have to choose the device, that is smart LED. And after that it will be ask you about the location permission, then you have to permit that, and after that you have to click on this tap icon over there. And after that it's saying that it should be in blinking mode, and our bulb is in blinking mode. Now you have to just click over there on checked icon, and you have to click on this next button. When you click on this next button, you have to enter your Wi-Fi password over there, and you have to choose your Wi-Fi from over there which you want to use for future use of this device. Now what we have to do, we have to just click on this next button. When we click on this next button, after entering the Wi-Fi password and other details, we are setting up the smart bulb. As you can see in front of you, the bulb is just blinking, and when it stops blinking, that means your bulb has been set up with your smartphone, and you can easily control that from your mobile phone easily. Device is successfully set up, your bulb stops blinking. That means your bulb has been stopped with set up with this device successfully and connected, and is just controlling there all the permissions and just establishing that over there. And as you can see, all thing has been set up successfully, and it's saying that your light is ready to use. Please name the device. I'm just leaving this light, and you can easily rename if you want to. And now you have to click on this done button. When you click on this done button, a option over there and show you, and from there you can easily control. Hope you like this video and know how you can set up this device. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos with this, and share the video with your family and friends that they can know about this.